吃饭吧。妈，这全都是您做的呀。我知道我做饭不好吃。你不是最爱吃鱼？
安静。陈雪，怎么你也不及格呀？好好努力啊！
Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today I am going to discuss the sentences used in the drama clip that you have watched before this explanation. So let's proceed and get to know about the explanation of those sentences. So the first one is Chirfanba. So it means let's eat. In Urdu we can say chalo kana khate hain. I think it's easy to understand. Chir is a verb and it means to eat. Chirfan means to eat meal. Ba is a particle that is used in Chinese language to suggest something to someone. किसी को कोई चीज़ तजवीज़ करने के लिए जब कहा जाए तो ये लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होता है. Now the second sentence is 妈这船都是您做的呀. Mom, is this all made by you? Or did you make or cook all this? माँ क्या ये सब तुमने पकाया है? So Chinese native speakers use this ma alone, as we know that for saying mom in Chinese language we use mama, but here it is ma. 这船都是您做的呀. 这船 this all. Here the tao does not mean all. Here it is strengthening the tone of the speaker. This means that the speaker is surprised to see that her mom cooked a lot of meals. That is why she is surprised. So she says, 这船都是您做的呀. Here if you see 做 word is used for saying to do something. But if we use 做 with fan, like if you use this 做 with fan, with meal, so it means that to cook meal. Okay, so here this 做 will not mean to do something but to cook the meal. So इसका मतलब ये है कि माँ क्या ये सब तुमने पकाया है. और आपने देखा होगा कि जब चीनी ज़बान में माँ के लिए जो लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल होता है वो है मामा, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने माँ इस्तेमाल किया है तो चीनी लोग माँ भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. 这船 ये सब 都是您做的呀. नीन हम जानते हैं it means that it is a polite form of you. Okay, so 您做的呀 cooked by you. क्या ये सब तुमने पकाया है? जो जब फन के साथ मिल जाए तो इसका मतलब है खाना पकाना. Mom, is this all made by you or did you make or cook all this? Okay, the third sentence is 我做饭不好吃. 我做饭不好吃. I'm not good at cooking. मैं अच्छा खाना नहीं पका सकती. 做饭 means to cook meal. Here 做 does not mean do. 做饭 means to cook meal. 做饭का मतलब है खाना पकाना. 不好吃 not tasty, not delicious. जो खाना जायकेदार या मज़ेदार ना उसके लिए 不好吃. 我做饭不好吃. I'm not good at cooking. Okay, now this one is really easy. 我知道 我知道 it means I know. मैं जानता हूँ या मैं जानती हूँ या मुझे पता है. So 我知道 Okay. 你不是最爱吃鱼你不是最爱吃鱼 Don't you like to eat fish most? क्या तुम मछली खाना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं करते? 不是 means not. 最爱 something that is favorite. 吃 to eat. 鱼 means fish. So don't you like to eat fish most? 你不是 means क्या तुम्हें नहीं 最爱 पसंद है 吃鱼 मछली खाना क्या तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खाना मछली नहीं है इस तरह भी कह सकते हैं ठीक है The next one is anjing be quiet खामोश हो जाओ anjing be quiet The next one is 怎么你也不记गया How come you failed as well तुम कैसे फेल हो गए या फेल हो गई So in this drama clip the teacher is addressing a male student so it means that fail हो गए और अगर ये किसी लड़की की तरफ इशारा होता तो फिर हो गई 怎么你也不记गया How come you failed as well 好好努力啊 Work harder मेहनत करो 好好努力啊好好努力啊 Work harder मेहनत करो I hope that you would have enjoyed the drama clip and now this explanation part would have cleared all of the confusions about the drama clip as you have seen that I have written all the pinyin of those sentences and that was quite simple. So see you in a next interesting lecture about Chinese language. 再见. Allah Hafiz.